We're now going to do the tweeze. So what they're going to have you do is they're going to tell you need to tweeze only one eyebrow. The allotted time, I believe, is 5 minutes. You're going to wash your hands, but this time I pretend I'm squirting almost because you don't want your hands to get wet, especially if you have bigger hands and you have a harder time getting the gloves on. You're going to put the gloves on. And I wrote you guys a cheat sheet on, and that you should have it in your kits of what to do. So I have my gloves on. This is the 5 minutes. I'm going to take my cotton. I have my antiseptic. I have my astringent, which I used in shaving for the slapping. I have my hot oil, and I have my antibacterial lotion for tweezing and waxing. My tweezing and my wax over here. So I'm going to take my antiseptic, and remember, I'm not going to put it on over here. I'm going to kind of come down here, so I'm not by her face, not by her eyes. Close this, and I can put it back over here. And I'm going to cleanse the eyebrow with that. Always do the opposite side. I'm going to throw that in my garbage. Then I'm going to take hot oil, and you're really going to put some hot oil on, which is your baby oil. And we got to make sure we open everything before we go because I just had a hard time opening that. Put a couple drops on. Remember, not too much, because if it drips down, I could fail for that. And that would soften the hairs, and I throw that out. Then I take another piece of cotton, a clean cotton with nothing on it, and I wipe the excess off. And I throw that in the garbage, and I can close this. Now I'm ready to tweeze. So I have extra cotton on one of my fingers, usually my ring finger. I put the cotton on like this, and my index finger and my thumb are going to be the ones that are going to stretch the skin. So I'm going to squirt this with alcohol, and I'm going to take my cotton and then throw my cotton out. Pull the skin taut. See, I have my cotton there? Pull the skin taut. You're going to tweeze with the growth and then go like that to your cotton. 1 or 2 tweezes. 1 or 2 tweezes. And just pretty much do the arch area. Then when you're done, you're going to throw out this cotton. You're going to squirt a fresh piece of cotton with alcohol. You're going to sanitize these again, and you're going to put these down. Then you're going to take cotton, and you're going to put astringent on it. So this is the second time you're using astringent. You really are using it. I come down here, but not by her face. And then this one, I don't want you rubbing it. I kind of would like you to blot it on, or kind of makes like a nice soothing thing. This is going to get the redness down if you had any red. Okay, and that is the tweeze.